All of you. How are you? How are you guys? Very good evening to all of you. Oh my God, many of the students are here. I am very excited for all of you that you all guys are pretty much so much excited. I am watching here. Vish is here. Ramya, Raj Ramya is here. Himanshi is here. Guys, whenever I am looking down, this means I am looking at your chats. Okay, Tanvi is here. Janvi is here. Technical is here. Anil is here. Venkat Subramaniam is here. Rajvanshi is here. Sudhavna is here. Oh my God, Vamsi is here. Kiran is here. Many of the students, and I'm very I'm very happy to see you all guys so much excited, and it's really fantastic, yaar. Matlab, it gives me a lot of energy, and surely I'm very much confident that today's session is going to be something very outstanding and very energetic. So moving towards our session, what we will be dealing with our today's session, I guess most of you must be very much clear that what we are going to discuss today. We are going to discuss about tips and tricks how you can manage your CBSE examination papers for class 9th and class 10th, both of the students. And a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the sessions. I am Harsh Priyam, a master teacher of mathematics at Vedantu, taking your sessions today, giving you some tips and tricks, some fundas for getting very good marks in your examination. Okay guys. So I am seeing many of the students here. Chehek is here. Chehek, I do remember you from all of my previous sessions. Rashmi is here. Okay, I do remember you. Jansi, I know you. Shiba is here. Ayush is here. Sehaj is here. Divan is here. Paritosh is here. Khushi Chauhan, I do remember you. You are the same girl who has scored outstandingly well in your examinations, pre-board examination. She has got 80 out of 80 in her pre-boards. That's fantastic. Okay, Vinay is here, Shaji is here, and many of the students here. I can't even read out all the names of all the students who are here and they are attending the session. So, complete good evening to all of you, and I'm pretty much excited to take your session today. So, let's not break this excitement and let's move forward for taking this session and making this as a memorable one. So, this is our session about today. It is about CBSE examinations for class 9th and 10th. Okay, and there is a small animation here. This is how most of the students study. They just keep on marking all the important points, and when they end up, when they see up, they see all of the book is important. So what to study and what not to study. So I'll be just guiding you and I'll be taking you away, taking you through this small time of all the things which are important that you need to do. So we'll be taking that. So guys, come on, let's move forward. This is a little introduction about myself. I am Harsh Priyam. Just for a second, I am Harsh Priyam. I have more than 7 years of teaching experience. For the last more than 7 years I have been into teaching, and absolutely it's because of my passion, not because of no options. And for last 7 years, I am into teaching students, giving them guessing questions for them, giving them the most probable questions, giving them the fundas how to crack examinations, because examination is not about cracking examination or getting good marks in CBSE is not about just mugging up the whole book or solving 2 books or 3 books or 4 books. It's just about that you need to find that thread. मतलब कहते हैं ना कि अगर पहेली जानना है तो सारी चीजें जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just you need to know the very basic things and the important thing which hits the point. वो जानना बहुत जरूरी है. So I am just helping students all across country to get above this riddle, get above this problem. Before starting the session, I would like to tell that I am continuously getting many of the chats here. Everyone is saying good evening, hi and hello and everybody. So I am saying good evening to all of you and hi to all of you. Welcome to the session. We are about to start the session. We have yet not started. I would like to tell you that in the meantime, when I'll be taking session, I would not be able to put attention to your chats. So my request to all of you is this, that I'll not be taking a very longer session because of time constraints. So just for 30 minutes, not more than that. See your watch, just for 30 minutes, pay attention over the slides. Thereafter, I'll have a 5 to 10 minutes window, as I do always. I'll have a 5 to 10 minutes window for all of you students, and I'll be watching your chats and I'll be replying to your comments. means replying to your questions or any queries. So as of now, I suggest you all to just pay attention over the slides so that you may not miss something very important. Okay. So come on guys, welcome to the session. Let's start the session. This is a brief introduction about myself. I was telling about myself, and this is, I have teaching experience. Before that also I was teaching, means during my school days, in my college, all the time I have helped up my many of the friends. I have mentored more than 10,000 students of class 10th, class 9th and IIT JEE even. I have helped them also to accomplish their dreams. They went into JEE. Some of the students, they are still in my contact, and they, means all the time बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. I can't tell you everything. So I won't go much in detail about myself. So let's move towards today's session. So what do we have in today's recipe? What do we have in our menu? So the first thing which we have is analysis of CBSE pattern. With the CBSE pattern, I mean the questions, means I'll be giving you an analysis of the questions, which kind of questions might come into the examination. Okay. Next, most probable guess questions. Due to this pattern reading, I'll be giving you some most probable guess questions. I'll be giving you that. Thereafter, must remember concepts. There are few concepts which are very important that you should always remember, because those concepts are very much important from examination point of view. So I'll be giving you that. Thereafter, I'll be giving you the course details, means for which course we are sitting here and what are the course that you can opt for and move on with your exam preparations. I'll be giving you details about that. Very interesting thing which I have in today's session, which I have included, is IIT JEE question. And why I have added this, I'll just tell you. See, no matter you are a bio student or you are a math student or you are going to take maths or bio, that's hardly matters. So, but still I want to show you something, and why I have taken this IIT JEE questions, I'll tell you. And thereafter comes our results. What results we have produced so far, what results I have produced, or I won't say I have produced, rather I would say what results we have produced. In CBSE examinations, or maybe in IIT JEE examinations, or in biology or something like that. I'll be just giving you some details. Okay, so let's know about something about CBSE. What is CBSE, how it works on. So its strength is surely good questions. Some of very good questions it always asks. So it has a strength of asking good questions. Thereafter, second strength is impartial evaluation. And thereafter, the third strength is what we are always fearful is of strict checking. So without going into much detail, I guess we all know about these strengths of CBSE. What are its weakness? So I'll be taking you through that. Weakness, what CBSE has is question gets repeated. This is the biggest weakness what CBSE has. And if it is weakness, don't say it's weakness. It's basically means what you can say loophole for us, that we can simply guess the questions if it is repeated. Thereafter, copy checking methodology is fixed and available. Copy checking methodology is fixed and available on the internet, which is called as blueprint, and the methodology with which teacher would be checking the copy is very fixed and it's available on the internet. So you can very well get it. Pattern of repetition can be predicted. That's what I said, that I'll be predicting the pattern and thereafter I'll be giving you some questions. So this pattern can be predicted. Thereafter, weightage is fixed. Means, say for example, triangles is a tough chapter, so CBSE cannot do that it will set half of the questions from triangles itself, because weightage is fixed. Always CBSE or the question setter has to follow some guidelines according to which he or she will set the exam papers. So weightage is fixed. Now, so what do we have? We need to balance. In between the strength of CBSE and the weakness of CBSE. And this is how a student's situation is always look like, isn't it? Always balancing between the strength and weakness, and always trying to balance all the time, and so much of tension. So I'll be just helping you guys through this. Now move forward. This is our first question. Without wasting time, in today's session, I have tried that I'll be giving you just very crisp information about everything. See, this is a very important question and yet very easy. Why I am saying this? See here, determine the volume of the toy. And don't you think it's very easy? Because here we have a cone and here we have a hemisphere, isn't it? and we have all the dimensions. 8 centimeter is the height of the cone and 6 centimeter is the radius of the hemisphere. So volume would be very simple. Volume of toy is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, isn't it? Do you all agree that this will be this much simple only? Now I have to just write down the formula. That would be, for cone it would be 1 by 3 pi r square h, plus for hemisphere it would be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now I would be telling that how you would be getting. See, before this step, if you will write a step called as given, means the values which has been given. Say for example, height has been given as 8 centimeter, radius has been given as 6 centimeter. So if you will be writing it, you will be getting half marks for this. I am telling you how the marks pattern is divided. Thereafter, if you are writing the formula, means from these two steps, if you are writing the formula, this is the formula, so you will be getting complete 1 marks over here. Always remember, CBSE has a very important weightage for writing the formulas. That is why always teachers tend to say that even if you don't remember the question or you don't remember the solution, just write down the formula for that, because it has a very important marks weightage. Thereafter, we will solve this whole question, and on the final answer we have, the final answer which we have been asked about the volume. Here the unit, see everything is in centimeter, so the unit should be centimeter cube, and the final answer, it contains half marks. Okay, and the remaining 2 marks would be on the steps. These are the steps. I am not writing the steps because I know that 95% of the student might be knowing how to do the calculations. Only you have to put the value. Again, here you can use multiple methods. Say for example, pi by 3 can be taken as common, pi by 3, because both of the terms do have pi by 3. Similarly, r square and r square can be taken. So here in this way we can get. Okay, many of the students have even given the answer also. Anjali is saying hi. Okay, Anil has given the answer. That's really nice, Anil, and that's really completely commendable. But right now I just suggest that please pay attention over these slides, and I'll be giving you plenty of time to have a conversation with me. Surely, because I even like to know my kids. I even like to know you, all of you, and get to know your problem so that I can suggest you something very different or something very workable which can help you out of your situation. So I'll be having a conversation. मेरे को बात करना बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं आप सारे बच्चों से बहुत सारी बातें करूंगा, and I'll try my level best to solve your questions, solve your queries. तो मैं बात करता हूँ, just give me few minutes. Okay, Kiran is here, Saksham is here, Vedant is here. So please guys just pay attention over the slides. Now, तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था? I was telling that, say for example, this is a 4 marks question, and it will be a 4 marks question. Always it comes like that only. Why I am telling, see, अब एक बात समझो, everyone please pay attention. ऐसा लग रहा होगा, you might be feeling कि sir इतना आसान question, this much easy question, does it even come in the board's examination? Or means you are just trying to put a frame to us and tell us that this question is going to come in the boards. No, it's not like that. Let me tell you, I'll show you something. See, this is the same question, and this is the years in which it has come. It has come in 2017, 2015, 11, 10, 8, compartmental, and many other years also. I have analyzed only last 10 years paper. That's why I have written only last 10 years frequency. What I mean to say that boards do not ask very tough questions. And every time, you know what board does? It will change only the values. Say for example, 8 centimeter can be changed to 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter can be changed to 16 centimeter. So does it change the whole question? I don't think so, because it has changed only the values here. Means you have the whole same formula. Everything is the same concept. Say for example, last year, this year only in 2018, there was a question in which there was a cylinder. I'm just telling you, there was a cylinder, and this cylinder was surmounted. This cylinder had a base of hemisphere, and thereafter it had been asked the volume of the figure. So can you guys just find the volume of this figure? Is it not easy? Is it not easy? Just tell me. Volume of the figure would be volume of cylinder, and thereafter plus volume of hemisphere. Isn't it easy? So this much easy question is being asked. I know that most of you students even do some kind of silly mistakes and you lose marks there. But if you learn to get above your silly mistakes, surely 100% marks would be yours. And even in the sessions about to come, I'll be even telling you how to eliminate all those silly mistakes. Means you can eliminate 100% of silly mistakes, all of that. So you can very well do that. Similarly, there was a question, I'm just giving you a few examples. There was a question in which volume of frustum was there. Sorry, not volume, surface area. Surface area of frustum was there, and surface area of frustum had to be calculated. So surface area, it was written, many of the students got confused. Sir, if it is asking only surface area, shall we go for curved surface area or for total surface area? Always remember, if the question is not depicting any value, that whether it wants curved or total, always find total surface area. It is the main punch. Always find total surface area. If the question has not mentioned that whether it wants you surface area or total surface area, curved surface area or total surface area, always find total surface area. So these are few of the very easy questions. I have just given you a glimpse of one question. Similarly, say for example this question. I guess most of you guys would be very much familiar with this question, that you would have seen this question multiple times. A boat goes upstream and thereafter downstream. Have you seen it or not? Just tell me. Okay, many of you have even said that yes, they have seen it multiple times. Okay, so in this question, again it's a very easy question, and see the frequency, how much times it has come. Multiple times, yeah, multiple times. Board does not change the whole pattern of the question. It always sticks to the very basic pattern of the questions. Few of the questions get repeated all the time. Only the values would be changing. Only these values would be changing. And how you have to do? Say for example, always remember, up means upar. Always you will have to put more effort in going up. So your speed will be a bit reduced. So whenever you will be going up, the speed would be x minus y, means your boat speed minus your stream speed. Always it will be minus. And in down, whenever you are going down, for sure your speed will increase, because नीचे जाने में speed बढ़ जाता है, isn't it? तो जब भी आप नीचे जा रहे हो, whenever you are going down, your speed will be increased. So by that you can always remember that here speed will be x plus y, means boat speed plus stream speed, isn't it? And in the similar fashion, it has been given for time. So you all know time is equal to distance by speed. And in the similar fashion, you will write the equations. First equation will be, it can go 30 km upstream. So 30 upon x minus y, plus 44 km downstream. So 44 distance upon downstream speed is x plus y, and is equal to, this is time and this is time, and it is equal to 10 hours. Are you all able to understand what I am trying to tell? Please let me know. Please let me know through your chats, because I am watching your chats and I want to know that are you people understanding it or not. And please even do let me know that do I need to solve it till the last, or you have understood it. Please, I am just watching your chats, guys. Come on. Just tell me that are you able to see or not. I am watching your chats. Come on. Okay, so I've got many of the responses. That's perfectly fine. Awesome, super awesome. Many of the students are telling that yes, they have got it. That's perfectly fine. Absolutely. Okay, and then many of you students are even telling me that it's not required to solve it further. That's again very nice. So come on, guys. Moving forward. What I am telling right now. See. So here we do have this much of questions. Now, moving forward. So I guess you all would have understood. Right now, please, I'm again not watching at your chats. So I'm not again watching at your chats. I'm just concentrating on the slides. Now, again, this you would have seen it multiple times. Prove BPT, isn't it? Prove BPT. So this is Thales theorem, isn't it? So you all must be knowing that how this Thales theorem is proved and how it is solved. See, this many times Thales theorem has directly come, and let me remind you that Thales theorem directly might come, but application of Thales theorem always comes in the examination. Means at least you will find one question in all of the examinations relating to Thales theorem, and it is again very easy. You have to just remember that you have to draw a triangle, Thereafter, the given conditions is that a line which is parallel to the base is given, and from here you have to draw a perpendicular, and from here you have to draw a perpendicular, isn't it? So all these things are means kind of you know all the things, just you have to get confidence that yes, you have all the muscle power, you have all the knowledge power within you, you have everything within you which can really get you to a place where you want to go, means which can really accomplish your dreams. That is what you need to have attention over, belief over. That what I want to tell. Now moving forward, without wasting much time, see, this is the important question analysis what I have done. Just read it out what I have done. I need a screen because chat is not visible. Okay, so what I was telling, sorry for that, sorry for the inconvenience. Now see, real numbers previous year, in this means previous year, with that I mean in 2018, 6 marks of question has been asked. Okay, and I have written the previous year analysis that how much questions has been asked. I have left few of the topics also, and okay, so these are the marks it had. What I meant to tell you, what was important for you is mostly asked topics. See, most of the time proving irrational, prove that root 2 is irrational, although it was a 9th class question, but still for 9th class it is very important. For 10th class sometimes it asks, but divisibility checking, that say for example prove that square of any number will always be of the form 3m plus 2, 3m plus 1, like that. It is very favorite question of boards. Most of the time it comes. Similarly, in the polynomials chapters, properties of zeros, questions, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Favorite topic of boards, yeah. All the times it will, if it will ask a question from polynomial, it will ask from the properties of zero itself with the coefficients. Okay. Linear equation, again, every one of you might be very much fearful. Time and work question, very sure it will come. Keep it in writing. लिख के रख लो, मेरी बात मान लो, keep it in writing that time and work question is going to come. Time and work means a boy does a work in 5 days and a man who does a work in 8 days. If they combine do the work in 5 days, how much time will be like, how much time will be like that. Such kind of questions. Age related questions, father is 7 times daughter, daughter is 3 times brother, and like that. Boat and stream question, just now I showed you. Cross multiplication, always remember never to forget this. It is very important, I am writing it down. It will always come either in 2 marks or in 3 marks. It generally don't comes in 4 marks, but in 2 marks and 3 marks it will come. Cross multiplication, very important. Okay, so always remember this. Similarly, quadratic equation, we have word problems where we have digits interchange, that 2-digit number is interchanged like this, and many other word problems. I have just taken some examples. Okay, so moving forward guys, this is AP. In this AP we get simple questions, formula putting, sum of AP, like that. Triangles, we have BPT, very important. Ratio of area of 2 similar triangles, ratio of median, ratio of altitude, these are important, that's why I have written it. Similarly, for coordinate geometry, area of triangle, proving how to get the formula of area of triangle. You must be remembering it now, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. How to prove that? That is important. Similarly, line divided in the ratio, you would have seen that a line is divided in some ratio, find the ratio. A line is divided in the ratio of k:1, find the ratio. Isn't it? So section formula is very important. I am again putting a star here. It is very important and it is very sure. Take it in writing. Again, for this part I am saying that this year also in 2019 this question is going to come. This is my confidence because I have been preparing questions for last so many years. यार मतलब आखिरी के 7-8 साल हो गए. मतलब it has been more than 7 years that I have been preparing, means I have been guessing questions and I have been solving questions, giving questions to the students, and they have, means I am not telling it. It's students' feedback that they tell us that sir, always, all the time, whenever you give the questions, most of the questions come in the examinations. Means almost 80% of the questions come in the examination. This is their belief. So I'm telling it. And similarly in the trigonometry, although all the questions come from identities itself and it's a tough part, so I'll be taking a special complete class for identities also in the sessions going to come. In this 90 minus theta questions are also important, where you are given cos 77, cos square 77 plus sine square 23, like that. Okay. So in application of trigonometry, that is height and distances, cloud image, say for example, a cloud is at the height of this and it got an image in the river and like that. Aeroplane problem, very famous. Aeroplane is going at this height. After some time, it went to that angle of elevation. Find the speed of the aeroplane. Like, these questions are important questions. These questions will come in the examinations. Similarly, for tower standing, a tower is standing, height of angle of elevation is this, angle of depression is this. Find the height of the tower. Shadow, a tower is standing at a 30 degree of angle of inclination of the sun. Find the height of the tower. All such questions. Okay. All such questions will be important. Now, moving forward, guys. So, circle, again, it comes very easy questions. So, I'll be just taking those questions when I'll be taking the session. So, I have not written something like that. Construction, drawing tangents and drawing similar triangles. This is important again. Let me tell you that this will come. This year for sure, this is going to come. Draw similar triangles. Draw a triangle which is 3 by 4 times of triangle ABC and values of ABC is given, like that. So, it will for sure come this year. I am very sure. Now, more figures into figure, that you must be knowing such kind of. I am just drawing a figure. Say for example, square is there and inside it 4 circles are drawn. And you have been asked that this is the portion. Find the area of the portion enclosed in the square, which is not enclosed in the circle. So such kind of questions will be coming for area related to circles. Similarly, in surface area volume, keep it again in writing. I am again putting a star here. It is very important. That frustum question is going to come this year. 200% sure. 200% sure यार. मतलब ये आएगा ही आएगा, नहीं तो मेरा नाम बदल देना. मतलब you just change my name. That is so sure I am telling. Frustum will come this year. Frustum, question related to frustum will come. There is a very huge probability that combination of solids, one question might come from this also. Combination of solids. So these all are the important questions analysis. Now, these are the analysis what I have told you. अब कुछ बात करते हैं. Let's talk about something what I am trying to tell just for few minutes. That in today's session I have even taken IIT JEE questions. So why I have taken IIT JEE questions means what's the requirement of taking IIT JEE questions when I am taking class 10, something like that. So is it something important? So I would just like to see your chats that who all guys have already decided that what they have to take in class 11th, means they are going to take maths or bio. Can you just put it in your chats? So I want to see that how many of you are going to take maths or bio or something like that, or have you all decided or not? Please let me know through your chats. Okay, physics, chemistry, math, Aryan is saying, Ayush, okay, Manya, okay, trigonometry help, PC, MB, Khushi, wow, Khushi, okay, someone commerce, no, someone is saying no, someone is arts, someone has taken biomaths. Oh my god, that's absolutely fine. You know, the best part is this, that it is very, very good. Okay, I'm watching every one of you have decided. The best part is this, that you have decided. Out there in the world, believe me, I am a teacher and I am watching out thousands of students every day. There are 70% of the students who have not decided till now that whether they will be taking mathematics or biology or commerce or something like that. This is the biggest apathy of today's education system or today's students. And I am feeling very great that you guys have decided by this time that you will be taking maths or biology. That's completely fine. So why I have taken today IIT's question and all that, just I am telling you, and just give me 2 minutes. In today, someday what happened that a girl came to me, and last year she was my student. She was a very good student in mathematics. And somehow it happened that means at that time the maths teacher who was teaching in class 11, she was not liking it, and that's only because of that she took biology. And right now she is not doing good in biology. So that day she said that, sir, if at that time, if you would have said me that you will be teaching mathematics in 11th, then surely I would have taken mathematics. And at that day, means it's a story of something around 3 years back. So 3-4 years back. So I said ki means if it was like that then I could have taught you. So she said ki sir agar aap padha dete to agar aap if you would have said me this much only na then I would have opted because I wanted to take mathematics. लेकिन सर अच्छे नहीं थे उनसे मेरे को समझ नहीं आता था. I never used to get understood by him. That's why I did not took. And today she is not in a good situation. It gives me immense pain. मतलब कभी कभी बहुत बुरा लगता है, बहुत जान के अच्छा नहीं लगता है that student is suffering. And at that day I decided that from now onwards I'll be means from that day, and even that is why I have come up today in today's session with a plan that I'll be able to tell you that there are possibilities in which you can go on continue. That is why means continue with your current teacher. See, many of the students come to me and say me कि sir आप मेरे को पहले क्यों नहीं बता देते कि आप ही 11th में पढ़ाने वाले हो. And earlier I did not used to tell them. So right now I am here for you all guys with a plan in which I'll be telling you that you have an opportunity right now to decide for your coming future and even to get taught and mentored by some of the very best faculties out there in the country. Those who have produced enormous result, outstanding results. I'll be just telling you how. Say for example, I have taken this JEE mains question, but before solving this question, I'll be just telling you a few more things. Some surprises. I like this figure very much. Have you seen Batman? I'm a very big fan of Batman. That's why I have taken this animation. I really like that. So, see, these are the results what we have produced so far. And let me tell you, some of the results are changed. Say for example, this is 95%. 95% of our students have scored above 85% in their 10th boards. Let me tell you, in their 10th boards examination. These are our results. Okay, 95% students have scored this much. And this 45%, earlier this was 45%, but since every time students keep on telling us and giving us the data, this is a older data, and right now it has been changed to 59%, something around 59 point something. Means around 60% student have scored above 90% after being taught by us by Vedantu. Now, what I am trying to tell you guys is that एक बात बताओ यार कि अच्छे रिजल्ट्स के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट होता है? व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट? अ वेरी गुड कोचिंग और अ वेरी गुड टीचर? जस्ट लेट मी नो. आई वांट टू इवन मींस आई डोंट वांट दिस कन्वर्सेशन टू बी वन साइडेड. आई वांट यू आल्सो टू पार्टिसिपेट. व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ वेरी गुड रिजल्ट? अ वेरी गुड टीचर और अ वेरी गुड कोचिंग? ओके, someone is saying teacher, someone is saying student, someone is saying both. That's completely fine and that's correct. Both is important. Now see, if you have to be a good teacher, it's on your part. But how can you select good teachers? It is by the results. So if say for example some teacher has produced very good results, so you will be getting this insight that he is a good teacher, and thereafter you will be able to select it. And here, see, these are the results what we had produced. Vedantu master teachers means here the master teachers who will be teaching you, who are there to take your classes for IIT JEE. If you go for mathematics for IIT JEE, so they have already for IIT JEE they have already produced these results. AIR or AIR1. They have produced even AIR6, AIR7, and there are multiple other results. I have not taken because of the space issue, and I cannot take all the results, but they have produced multiple other results. So these all teachers, and you say, who is the best brand of the coaching? Right now, out there might be multiple coachings, and everyone is charging heftily. Let me tell you, everyone, because I guess you all are aware how much they are charging. I guess it's 2 lakh, 3 lakh, something like that. Everyone is charging that much. And that is where we come into play. That is where we think that we are making some difference. Because many of the times, many of the students come to us and they say, sir, we are not that much capable that we can pay 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs for studies. Because everyone's parents are working very hard to get the money. And 3 lakh rupees is not a small amount, yeah. So that is why where we come into play and where we have pitched in something new, something innovative. And that is why we are called a very innovative startup, very innovative company, that we have come across our education sector and making the education really affordable. So before going to that, this is our today's course. What I am telling you, that in this course, when you will be coming to this course, you will be getting the CBSE Class 10th preparation. You will be getting all the tips and tricks what I have said you. Apart from that, you will be getting class 11th, complete class 11th. You will be getting complete class 12th, means examination, preparation 11th and 12th. And apart from that, not only this much, apart from that, you will be get taught by the master teachers itself. Me, other teachers, everyone on board in the team, they are going to teach you for IIT. No more than that, nothing less than that. You are going to be kind of selected into IIT because you are being taught by some of the best mind of the country. Why I am telling this? Because they have already produced the results. So this is what you will be getting in today's session, or in the course in which you are going to enroll. Now, just tell me a wild guess, a imagination, that how much amount or how much course fee do you expect, guys? Come on, I'm again watching your chats. How much course fee do you expect, or how much you think that the course should cost? Out there in the market, it's around 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs and something like that. Okay, someone is saying 1 lakh, someone is saying okay. Now, Khushi knows the price. So I'm just putting forward. See, these all things what you will be getting in today in this session, in this whole course which you will be joining. 10th examination preparation course. Thereafter, class 11th complete syllabus course, means according to your board examinations, NCERT and your school examinations. Thereafter, 11th preparation for JEE, IIT JEE. You will be getting the complete IIT JEE. 12th complete course. 12th JEE preparation again. And class 12th board preparation course, means again like that the course which right now is going on 10th preparation. The similar fashion 12th preparation will go on. And thereafter IIT JEE crash course will go on. Apart from that, you will be having the support what we have here in Vedantu, that we all means all the students who join the course, they get this facility of WhatsApp group doubt support. Means they can simply post their doubts in the WhatsApp and a team is there dedicated who will be solving their doubts in just few minutes and giving them the solution. Also, they'll be getting the teacher's personal contact number and the personal contact support with the teachers themselves if they'll be coming to this course. And similarly for the 9th class, they'll be getting 9th preparation course as of now. Class 10th complete syllabus course for 1 year. Similarly for class 10th board preparation course, they'll be getting test and assignments. They will be always there. WhatsApp group support they will be getting. Teachers personal contact they will be getting. Motivational support for sure they will be getting. Round the clock doubt support due to the WhatsApp. And for these all things, you won't have to travel anywhere, go anywhere, join any coaching, something like that. Just you have to be on your home, have an internet connection, and you'll be getting all the best teachers at your home. This all course, guessing the price. See, without any guessing, this all whole course comes for 9th class. It is coming for 48,000, and for class 10th, means for not for class 9th, for 9th I am saying 48,000 for 9th and 10th both. And similarly for class 10th, means class 10th, 11th and 12th, it is coming in 1,20,000 only. 1.2k. 1.2 lakhs. So this is the price which you will be getting for the whole course. Means for complete 2.5 years, 1,20,000, and complete 1.5 years or 1 year something months. For 9th class, it is 48,000. Oh, what is this? I guess there is a price drop. For this, I need to check on the website. Guys, for enrolling, you need to go to this website. This is vdnt.in CBSE 8. VDNT is short form for Vedantu.in/CBSE 8. This is the link where you have to go, and here it is showing the price has dropped. So I'll be just checking that whether the price has dropped. So for that, I'll be just taking you to the website. It is vdnt.in/CBSE8. So here you will be going, and here you can enroll yourself. Here we have the option for enrolling, and here you can see even the teachers who will be teaching you for chemistry, biology, physics and maths, and thereafter what you will be getting. So oh wow, this is the price. So again, congratulations to you all guys. You have got a discount again here. Price was 120, it was again reduced to 1 lakh, and now lightning deal is going on for only 4 hours. So I guess this deal would be ended by 1 o'clock in the night, I guess. So by 1 o'clock it will be ended. So today you have time only for today's time that you can get this course only in 80,000 rupees. So this is how it all works. And when you will be putting for enrolling, you will be getting for 9th also. Let's check the price for 9th also. Okay, sorry, it's not coming as like this. No issues. We can check out, means you can check out afterwards for 9th also. You will be getting the price. No issues. Okay, so here by this you can get the price. So let's come back to the session. So what I was trying to tell you, this is how all it works. You are getting all these things, IIT preparation complete by those master teachers who have produced All India Rank 1. See, a very good teaching, a very good result is always because of a very good teacher and a very good student. If a right student gets entangled with a right teacher, surely a result is going to come. Out there, all those coaching institutes or all those teachers or anyone who is charging heftily, they are charging because of their results. And if we have those teachers who are giving enormous and outstanding results, then you can surely have a look and you can surely get a very good deal here. So this was all about today's session. I'll be just, okay, this is party time. So I'll be just telling you few of the things which we'll be working upon for you guys is your time management and avoiding your silly mistakes. These all things would be worked upon in the session to be coming, and I'll be taking all those sessions for you guys. I'll be providing you time management courses, routine. I'll be giving you a complete routine. I'll be giving you everything, how to manage your time during examinations, 3 hours and all those things. This is a routine which I had prepared last year for one of my students who was studying in class 10th, and luckily, not luckily I would say, rather I would say that by her hard work, she scored last year. I take her example in all my webinar. Last year she got 98.7% of marks in 10th boards. So she was one of my students. I taught her last year, and this was the timetable which I had prepared for her. This timetable she used to follow all the time. She used to follow this timetable for getting the desired result, and really she did outstanding in mathematics. In mathematics itself, I would again let you remind that in mathematics she had scored 100 marks and even 100 marks, and even in science she had scored 100 marks. You won't believe, her social science was very good, but she was not able to score that much good in my social science. But in mathematics she was always fearful, but she managed to score 100% marks. This was about few of our results. These are the strategies. These are further again very good questions which I had taken for about IIT, but today we do not have that much time, so that's why I am just giving a pause to the session at this very moment, and I'll be giving you again 5 minutes window to have chat with me. I'll be clarifying all your doubts and I'm watching your chats. So right now you can just write down your chats and I'll be watching all of them. So guys, any questions, any queries which you do have, I am just watching your chats. You can simply ask. Come on. Okay. Please provide last 10 CBSE question papers. Surely I'll be providing that in the sessions. Which books to refer? Harshita, I'll be taking a session for that which books needs to be referred. Sir, NEET के लिए course है क्या? NEET के लिए you can get all the details once you will be calling on the helpline number. Okay, please suggest a sample paper. See, Together With or Exam Idea or any other good books is good for solving the mock papers. Okay, which book should we refer for practice? Best book for mathematics. For best book for mathematics is NCERT and thereafter RS Agarwal. These two books are more than enough for mathematics preparation for board examinations. Should we solve exemplar? Yes, you should solve exemplar, Murtuza, because exemplar is really good and it has very good questions. Do we have to do RD Sharma? No, Shaheen. RD Sharma is not required at all. Is Arihant good? Arihant is good, but it's not required at all. Find quadratic equation, linear equation sample paper for IIT schedule. Siddhivinayak, IIT schedule would be given to you in the meantime. Class 9th batch is starting from today itself and class 10th batch would be starting from 24th of December, means day after tomorrow. Okay, what to do one day before examinations? One day before examinations, what I used to do was just chilling out and listening to music without giving any pressure to the mind. That's the best strategy what you should do before one day before examination. Sir, can we take you like sample? I did not get you, Divyanshu. Sir, answer my... Yes, Kaushik, what you are asking? CBSE preparation paper, where are you from? I am right now sitting in Bangalore and taking sessions for you guys. What about trigonometry? Shiba, trigonometry is a tough chapter for most of the students, but it's not that tough. I'll be taking sessions, means in the CBSE preparation examination, preparation course of to complete 30 hours. I'll be taking CBSE 10th board preparation complete, and in that I'll be taking all the chapters. Let me tell you, for CBSE, for CBSE board examination, I'm just telling you, for CBSE board examination, there is 30 hours of course of mathematics, which will be divided into 20 classes. So all classes would be of 1 hour, 20 classes of 30 hours. So in that I'll be taking all the chapters for you guys. Sir, will you give sample papers? Yes, Vikas, I'll be giving you sample papers. How to complete the paper in time? Diya, I'll be giving you these tips once in the session. Right now, we do not have that much time. That's why I'm not giving you that. How many hours we should study per day? That depends. If you're not going to any coaching or something like that, at least you should study for 4 hours in my suggestions. That was a response for Tanvi. Vedant, आप अगली बार कब आओगे sir? Please tell. Vedant, I'll be coming again. I don't remember, but you will be getting the call or notification from the Vedantu care team. Is golden? I have seen that chapters will be given for okay. It's not like that, Raghav. Tanvi, okay. Anil, sir, remainder 3x power 51. I do not get you, Anil. From when the class, give me your WhatsApp number. Sorry, I cannot give you my WhatsApp number. It is only available to the students who join the sessions. So I guess I have answered most of your questions, guys. So it's now time to say a goodbye to you all. It was a very wonderful and fantastic session, and I'm really happy that you all guys enjoyed so much. And I'm again watching the chats. It's not stopping at all. It's going on and on and on. So guys, please, if you still have any query, you can write it down to me directly. My mail ID is harsh.priyam, H-A-R-S-H, harsh.priyam, P-R-I-Y-A-M, @vedantu.com. I'll be trying my best to help you out, guys, in every possible situation. Apart from that, if you do have any query regarding the course materials, teachers, results, or anything, just contact Vedantu care team. They'll be clarifying all your doubts. And in the meantime, you will be able to better judge the situation and take a decision. So do take your decision. Take it wisely, I would suggest. Don't go into some kind of किसी के बहकावे में आने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Just take your decision, follow your heart. If you want to go, then go. Otherwise, there is no requirement. So that was all from my side. Chehek, sorry, I did not see your question. So you can ask me before saying goodbye. I will just answer to your question. Next class kab hai? I don't, means you will be getting that, Gaurav. Don't get worried. 30-second rest. Okay. Sharmila, sir, do we need to read reference? No, Sharmila, RD Sharma is not required at all. Listen to it. Don't get worried. RD Sharma is not required. Okay, I don't think Chehek is writing. So, sir, that good, lucky. Okay. Okay. So, guys, I'll be just saying you a very good luck for your examinations, for your pre-boards, or for any of the examinations which is going to come. So, at this junction, I'm saying you a goodbye and a good night and a very good luck. My best wishes for you all for your examinations to come. See you guys in my session, in my next session. Till then, bye-bye and take care. Bye.